How artificial intelligence do automated currency trading. AI-based currency trading methods use machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends, identify patterns, and make predictions about future price movements. Here are some common approaches to AI-based currency trading. Sentiment analysis. AI algorithms can analyze news headlines, social media sentiment, and other market signals to identify shifts in investor sentiment that may impact currency prices. Technical analysis. AI algorithms can use historical price data to identify patterns and predict future price movements. This method can be used to identify buying and selling opportunities based on patterns such as moving averages, trend lines, and support and resistance levels. Machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and relationships that may not be apparent to human traders. These algorithms can be used to build predictive models that can identify potential trading opportunities. Natural language processing. AI algorithms can analyze news articles and other text-based sources to identify keywords and phrases that may be relevant to currency prices. This method can be used to identify potential trading opportunities based on news events and other market-moving information. AI-based currency trading methods can be used to complement traditional trading strategies and help traders identify potential opportunities in the market. However, it is important to note that no trading strategy is foolproof, and traders should always exercise caution and perform due diligence before making any trades. AI can automate currency trading using algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions about future price movements. Here's how AI can automate currency trading. Data collection. AI algorithms can collect data from various sources, including financial news, economic indicators, and historical price data. Data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze the collected data to identify patterns, correlations, and trends that may impact currency prices. Decision-making. AI algorithms can make decisions about when to buy or sell a currency based on their analysis of the data. These decisions are based on predetermined rules that the algorithm has been programmed to follow. Execution. AI algorithms can execute trades automatically based on the decisions made by the algorithm. Monitoring. AI algorithms can continuously monitor the market to identify changes in price movements and adjust their trading strategy accordingly. Overall, AI-based automated currency trading can help traders make faster and more informed decisions based on data analysis and predictions. However, it's important to note that automated trading systems are not foolproof, and traders should always monitor their trades and exercise caution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.